Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making an easy burrito. It is a sweet chili and walnut meat burrito. We're going to have some bell peppers in there, walnuts. So you want to get your walnuts and you want to make sure you soak them before we process them. If you don't have time, I like to soak mine overnight, but if you don't have time, you could boil them for 10 minutes to get them soft. Or just want to throw them in a food processor. We got our garlic powder. And I'll put all the recipe and measurements. I just eyeball it because I've done this a lot. But now we got our onion powder. Want to use some Italian seasoning with this one. Use some smoked paprika. You can use smoked paprika or you can use the regular. It's up to you. The smoked one does give it a little bit more flavor. Want to make sure we get our ground cumin in there. I'm going to throw some coconut aminos. You can use soy sauce, but if you do, make sure you use the one with less sodium. All right, now we're gonna throw our mushrooms in. You can use any type of mushroom you like. Just make sure you dice it up before you throw it in the food processor. I'm just breaking these apart to let it grind it up a little bit better, process it a little bit better. And you just want to slightly pulse it. You don't want to ground it up to a paste. You want to make sure it's like a crumbly, like a ground beef or anything, something like that. And that's how it should look. All right, now let's transfer the walnut meat to a bowl and we're gonna set it aside. All right, now we want to saute our bell peppers. I'm going to use our grapeseed oil. And I actually got a little carried away with the oil on this one. So I had some bell peppers that I already had chopped up and put them in the freezer. So if you're using fresh bell peppers, it won't take as long, but these are frozen. So it'll take a little bit longer. You just want to get them to their a little bit softer, but you still want to hold that crunch to it. All right, just going to saute them a little bit more. All right, once we got them nice and sauteed, we're gonna transfer them to a bowl. All right, so now we want to go ahead and start browning our walnut meat. You want to get it to it's nice and toasty. Nice crispy flavor, but you don't want to overcook it to where it's burnt, because it will have that burnt taste to it. I'm just gonna let this cook for a few minutes. All right, now that we have our walnut meat ready, it has a nice brown, crisp texture to it and look. And this is how you want it. Like I said, you don't want to overcook it. All right, so you can use any plant-based cheese that you like. This is Life smoked cheddar. And we're just gonna put our walnut meat right on top of it so it can get it nice and it'll start melting that cheese for you. All right, now we're gonna throw our bell peppers on there. And with the bell peppers, I like to do it with the tri-peppers, the green, red, and yellow. But it's up to you. You can use either one. And now we're going to put our sweet chili sauce on it. This is actually a store-bought sauce, just to save time, but you can make your own. I also put that in the description to make your own sweet chili sauce. And you just want to put a generous amount on there. And now we're going to fold it up. You want to take your time with it. You don't want to pull and tug it too much to where it tears. I actually had a small tear in it. All right, now we want to toast the burrito. So just put a little bit of oil in the pan. Get it nice and hot. I'm just going to toast each side of it. Once it cooked for a while, you want to flip it to the other side. So it has a nice golden toast to it. And you don't want to leave it on there too long because you don't want to burn up your burrito. And that's it right there. Nice and easy, quick dinner that you can make, or lunch. And let's cut it in half. Looks really good. And there you have it. Quick and easy sweet chili walnut burrito. You got your tri-peppers in there, the flavorful walnut meat. So if you like this, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.